Ito, serious question. Kanina ka pa sagot ay tumatanong ng serious question, Mr. Pogi69. How long does it take bago ka makagather ng hundreds and thousands of viewers? Diba, walang, I think, paano ba? Ako? Ako ha, in my own experience, it took me 3 years. Pero, iba-iba kasi. Meron kasing iba na nag-blow up lang for some random reason last week na meron na agad siyang hundreds and thousands of views. Iba-iba kasi, iba-iba. Mahirap i-compare. Mahirap i-compare. Merong iba na nag-blow up, 2 days lang sila nag-post, nag-blow up na sila. Ako, it took me 3 years for me to get thousands of viewers. Mga board lang nambabash. Yeah, pwede. Yung iba napaka-dramatic kasi niyan. Napaka-dramatic ng iba niya na parang wala silang magawa sa buhay. Inggit lang sila. Tangina, may nakita ako mga mayayaman na nagbabash. Uy, gagi. Parang, ewan ko, ganun na parang, hindi naman din ako hater or bashing or what. I understand kumbaga the game kasi. Na pag nag-comment yan sila or may nasabi sila sa'yo, they don't really mean it sometimes. Parang, wala lang, trip-trip lang. Then, a few minutes later, wala na. They don't care anymore, so why should you, di ba? Yeah, Dota 2. Yeah, I grew up playing Dota, so yung trash talk sa akin is malaking tulong yung Dota sa akin para sa pag-trash talk, tangina. Kasama ka o kalaban ka na may pan-trash talk ako sa'yo. Hello, Vladimir the Great. How are you, bro? RC Pangit. Hello, welcome. Yeah, pag Bisaya daw, 10 minutes lang. Dili sila kasabot. Consistency and swerte lang ba content creation? Yes, yes. Crypto, that's the fucking formula, bro. Consistency and swerte and luck. Consistency and luck. Yeah. That's the reality of it. Ayoko na kayong plastikin na mag-hard work lang talaga kayo and put your heart and soul into content create. Bro, that's bullshit, bro. Sorry sa mga hope core dyan ha, pero that's just not it, bro. That's just not it. Dapat consistency, consistency and luck. Yan talaga. You're fortunate, Pero ito, mas malapit ka sa swerte if mas marami kang content. Kasi kumbaga yun yung parang tapon mo sa swerte yung mga content mo. Bang! Op, hindi sinwerte, another one. Bang! Op, another content. Bang! Ganun, that's how I understand it, ha. Kasi mas less ka magtapon sa swerte, hindi mo talaga matamaan, pero the more you try to hit that motherfucker, yung tinatapon natin yung content, ha. The more you try to hit that motherfucker, you will eventually hit it, 'di ba? Pero the less you try, mas less yung swerte. Yan, that's how I simplify para magkaroon ng thousands of viewers. Damn! Salamat, Cryo Potato. Yes, may pangsagot na ako sa wakas. Yun! Tangina, ang gandang analogy yun, ah. Sir Tay, ano work mo before content creation and how were you able to manage yung work mo? Wait, ano work mo before content creation? Nagtrabaho ako sa bangko for 3 years, then nag-abroad ako for the next 3 years. Yan. OFW ako chat for 3 years. How were you able to manage yung work mo nung nag-i-start ka pa lang as a creator? Wala! Lahat ng inipon ko nung nag-abroad ako for 3 years, ginawa kong investment for this content creation shit. And then Ayaw ko kasi I don't wanna glorify manifestation, pero basta yun for 3 years na grind lang ako, literal grind. Alam kong swerte lang talaga ang chance ko, kaya I never stop uploading kahit walang views. Like I just had 100 of views, ganun. Sobrang dami na nung 10,000. Natandaan ko, nilista ko pa sa isang papel. Gago! Every hour update. Pag nagka 10,000 ako, gago, ito na, this is my viral moment. Pero not really. 10,000 views lang yun. Yeah, tapos nangyari yung Minecraft video ko. And it took off from there. Kasi pag-viral nung Minecraft video ko na yung nag-clean the keyboard pala, clean the keyboard content ko, tangina, iniscan nila yung account ko, ang dami ng videos. Kaya dati na mga 100 views ko, biglang nag-million views na din, tangina. Yun, sunod-sunod na nag-million views yung mga dati kong 3 months ago ko in-upload. Biglang nag-snowball effect ba, kumbaga. Kasi ang dami ko ng content na nakastuck sa 100 views na walang nanonood. Kaya nag-blow up yung isa. Ping! Nag-connect. And that's how it all began. Yun yung sa experience ko. Iba-iba ang mga content creator. Pero yung sa akin, ganun. That's what happened to me. So, wag lang ako yung basihan nyo. Kasi iba-iba ang pag-blow up namin. Dami na kasi nagtatry ng content creation right now. Yeah, kaya kung ako sa inyo, kung gusto niyo mag-content creation, maghanap kayo ng let's say 5 yung paborito, 5 inspiration, 5 gusto nyong gayahin na content creator. Tapos gayahin nyo yung style nilang 5, as in style talaga nila, gayahin nyo, replicate what they're doing. Tapos over time, you will eventually, ano bang tawag niyan? Makuha mo yung style nila ng 5 na to and will become you. 5 style maging sa'yo, then yun na yung original mo, ito na yung style mo. Ako matagal ko yan natutunan kasi may pride ako na putang ina, gusto ko akin, original. Ako lang Tyron! Pero over time, dahan-dahan ko nakukuha yung kanilang mga style, ganun. Kakanood.